Okay. So what's happening is you in the Django or the exercise or the demo, a lot of students start hit the URL and then see this page. So this is actually Django responding, saying that the URL that we've entered. Oh, thank you. Thanks for catching that. Uh, can you see my web page now? Sorry, I think I might have lost my audio. Oh, okay. Thanks. Yeah, so when the students first come to the page, they'll see this, and um, what Django's trying to say is this URL that we've entered. Django received it, but doesn't know what to do with it, and it's trying to tell the user that we can either add these different paths, and those are paths that Django knows what to do with. So we can either do greetings like that. Oh, sorry, this is someone else's app, um, or admin, and you'll see something like this. So if you see this page, then just add in these one in any of these paths, and Django should behave like what you're expecting. So, any questions, comments, concerns about that?